welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here again we have taken a next sum of locus of points where we have to construct and label a triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to 8 cm, YZX is equal to 60 degree, XYZ is equal to 45 degree. On your diagram, first label a point P which is equidistant from points X and Z, and from the lines ZX and ZY label a point Q which is on the same side of X, Y as Z, is equidistant from X and Z, and is 3 cm from the line XY. Measure and write down the length of PQ. So we'll go step by step through this sum. Now first we will construct a triangle XYZ with XY is equal to 8 cm. So first we will draw a line. XY is equal to 8 cm. So this is 8 cm line. This line is XY. Now next, the angle given is YZX 60 degree and XYZ is equal to 45 degree. Now XYZ angle can be easily drawn by taking the protractor and angle as 45 degree from here. So this is 45 degree. Then drawing the light line as we have to construct the triangle. Now another angle given is YZX is equal to 60 degree. So we have to calculate the angle, that is YXZ. As the distance YZ is not given, so we can't draw the angle directly that is given YZX. This is not possible to draw as the distance ZY is not given. So simply we have to calculate the angle ZXY, as the formula will be 180 degrees. The total angle of the triangle will be 180 degrees minus 60 degree plus 45 degree. That will provide me with the remaining angle, that is the third angle, that is 75 degree. So from here I'll draw an angle that is 75 degree and will extend the line from here and join it till the 45 degree angle line. So joining this will provide me with the angle 60 degree at Z. So this angle is 60 degree. We have calculated. Now to find the first solution, label a point P which is equidistant from point X and Z. So it is in two parts, one which is equidistant from X and Z and other is from the lines ZX and ZY. So we'll do this in two parts. First we will draw the locus which is equidistant from X and Z. So for that we will bisect this line. So for that, through compass, taking the distance more than the half of the line, then drawing the arcs, then from the opposite end cutting the arcs, and through these 2 points we will draw a straight line. Now second part, further it is given from the lines ZX and ZY. For that we will do the angle bisector from the point Z, as it is given the point is equidistant from ZX and ZY. So that is nothing but angle bisector. So we have done the angle bisector from the point Z. Now reading this whole, this will be point P which is equidistant from XZ and from the line ZX and ZY. Now further it is given, label the point Q which is on the same side of XY as Z and is equidistant from X and Z is 3 centimeter from the line XY. So first we will draw a line equidistant from XY, that is 3 centimeter above, which will be a parallel line. So from Y we will draw arc, X we will draw the arc, and then drawing tangent to this arc will give me a parallel line above XY. So this is the locus of the line above XY, 3 centimeter above. This has been done. So the point Q, which is on the same side of XY as Z and is equidistant from X and Z, is 3 centimeter from the line. So this is the point Q. Read the question. Q is equidistant from X and Z, so that is the previous line, and then it is 3 centimeter above, so that is the point Q. So this P point was our first solution 1, which is equidistance from X and Z and from the lines ZX and ZY, and this is our solution 2. Point Q is which is equidistant from XZ and it is 3 centimeter above. Now you have to find finally the length of PQ. So calculating the length PQ, which is 1.5 centimeters. Just go through the question carefully and try to solve it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture.